The system will definitely be constrained during two periods, in 2011 and 2013, and 2018 and 2024. Now, Eskom has been very consistent in the message that the system will be constrained in terms of reserve margin, and it's going to take the collective input of all South Africans to address this issue. And I'll go through the reasoning behind that. So just in terms of the draft integrated resource plan, because at the time of putting this presentation together, the only plan that was published was the draft. However, having said that, the current integrated resource plan has the same principles instilled within it. So looking at this plan, the plan covers electricity, energy and capacity requirements up until 2030. And you see that the plan has incorporated within it significant amount of renewables in the form of wind, concentrated solar, photovoltaic, as well as baseload options like nuclear and coal as well. So that's where the government of South Africa would like to take the electricity capacity into the future. There's obviously a clear signal and message to move towards cleaner coal options, to move towards renewables, and then to address climate change in a big way through nuclear power as well. You can see in the periods 2010 to 2030 that renewables has grown quite significantly internationally. So obviously there's a clear demand, and you will see a sustained growth of renewables into the future. The plan also shows that gas plays an important role. Now, the latest dynamics internationally, and especially what has happened in Japan, leads us further to believe that gas will also play an important role. And the reason being that what the tsunami and the earthquake has done in Japan is taken back the development of some nuclear projects. And this has now given a further gap for capacities such as gas. Now, with the demand for gas increasing, obviously this affects the price dynamics. And for South Africa, this is an impact if we decide to go forward with gas solutions. We also see that nuclear is going to play a significant role, and coal still is going to play a significant role. Now, so having said that, we have to look as a society and as a country how we address and clean up our existing coal-fired stations. So it's clear, as I mentioned earlier, a greener energy mix is required with renewables, wind, solar, and nuclear power. But there's three cornerstones to this in terms of balancing the act. So the three pillars are the contribution to global climate change and the key considerations. How do we balance that with economic efficiency and cost, and security of supply?